David spent minutes creating this deal manually. Watch what happens when I do it the new way. That took just seconds, but that's not even the best part. The system just told me something about the customer that could save thousands. Keep watching, and I'll demonstrate how to build these automated workflows. Welcome back to All Day IT's Finance Tips and Tricks for Monday.com. I'm Steve Escott, founder of All Day IT and a Monday.com authorized partner. This is the third video in our series where we explore practical ways to leverage Monday.com for financial workflows and business operations. Click subscribe to get notified when I release new videos that will help you and your team power up your Monday.com experience. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically create fully populated deals with just one button click, pulling in all account information, payment terms, and contact details instantly. Plus, I'll reveal how to build a collections analytics system that automatically grades your customers' payment behavior and gives your finance team powerful insights for credit decisions, customer-specific actions, and communications. Before we get to today's topic, just a quick reminder to check out alldayit.com, where you can learn more about All Day IT and let us know more about how we can help you by filling out our Contact Us form on the top right of the page. For anyone coming in fresh, here's a quick recap of what we've done so far. In our previous videos, we solved Monday.com's fundamental limitation where the default deals board doesn't provide enough columns to track payments or calculate balances. We built a foundation using sub-items for payment tracking and automated balance calculations, then leveraged that to create sophisticated payment automations, including automated due date calculations, payment status updates, and email notifications when payments become due. Now, with those powerful payment automations working behind the scenes, it's time to explore how you can streamline the deal creation process itself, starting with the traditional approach before I show you something much more impressive. Let's go ahead and explore deal creation workflows. I'll start with the traditional form-based approach, then I'll show you a more sophisticated automated system that'll completely transform how you create deals. As you could probably imagine, creating a deal manually right on the board can get tedious and might involve a lot of horizontal scrolling, especially if a lot of columns are involved. Even if only a few columns need to be filled out, that can get clumsy on a mobile device. That's why many choose to enter items using Monday.com's Work Form feature. Work forms are great. They allow you to input deal information like company name, deal value, expected close date, and other details directly into a form that populates your board without the need to laterally scroll from one field to the next. Links to the forms can be shared, and the forms can even be embedded on web pages. As far as workflow optimization goes, the form can even connect an account via its Connect column, as shown here, as long as you turn on that feature in your Monday Accounts administration screen. And form fields can be conditionally shown or hidden depending on how the form is populated. That being said, while this approach is great for one-off deal creation, it does require manual data entry for each field and doesn't automatically pull required account information into local deal board fields to power automations and integrations, which in our case would mean fields such as payment terms and contact details, without involving some marketplace apps, which come with extra integration operations per month, a thing that Monday account holders need to minimize. That's why I'll now demonstrate a more sophisticated approach, automatically creating deals right from your accounts board. But this requires some prior setup, such as a button column in the accounts board, which I've labeled New Deal, an account ID number column in the Deals board to receive and store the originating account's ID number for syncing purposes, which is grabbed off of that account's unique Monday.com item ID number. Local columns in the Deals board for company name, contact name, email, and payment terms. We also need to apply a few marketplace app automations to copy mirror column data to local columns. And an app like VLOOKUP from the Monday Marketplace configured to sync data between boards using unique item IDs as match keys. Now that we have everything we need, let's see how it works. When the New Deal button is clicked, this triggers a Monday.com Create and Connect automation sequence that allows for pre-populating a new connected item on a connected board, the Deals board, using information from the source board. The automation grabs the account's item ID and other relevant information and creates a connected new deal in the deals board. And in the process, it populates the account ID number field with the source account's ID. It also automatically sets company name, contact details, payment terms, and any other information you want to grab from the accounts board and place directly into local deals board columns. The automation also, importantly, triggers the due date calculation we discussed in an earlier video. At this point, I'd like to discuss VLOOKUP. The real power comes from VLOOKUP syncing data between boards. Using the account ID as a match key, when you update payment terms in the accounts board, it automatically updates all related deals on the deals board. This required installing the VLOOKUP Marketplace app and carefully configuring the match keys, a crucial step that makes the whole system work seamlessly. Now that we can see just how connected the accounts and deal boards are, let's go for one more workflow that gives an important edge to any organization's finance department: collections period tracking. The automated collections period tracking that I have implemented here showcases how formula fields enabled advanced analytics. Here are the highlights. The collection period formula column in the deals board automatically calculates days between invoice date and either today or the date that the deal is paid in full. The connection of all of an account's deals to their account allows showing the average collection period per customer on the accounts board. This can take place by changing the multi-item connect column collection period mirror column setting, which is on some by default, to the average setting. Now here's a bonus. Once we have account averages, we can construct an account payment grading system that automatically analyzes and grades accounts based on parameters that your finance team decides on. In the example here, I've set the payment grade formula column for accounts that pay 10% or more slower than their payment terms as slow pay accounts, and accounts that pay 10% or more faster as fast pay accounts. These grades can be used for bulk email filters, notifying account executives, or for other activities such as automatically qualifying certain accounts for discounts and others for any relevant restrictions. From these automated workflows, it's pretty plain to see that Monday can be nicely implemented to provide powerful automated insights for credit decisions and relationship management. It's important to note that what makes these automations so powerful is the layered automated approach. Each main automation relies on multiple supporting fields, formulas, and secondary automated processes. Here are the key automation concepts implemented for this All-Day IT Financial Tips and Tricks for Monday.com video. Number 1, automated cross-board synchronization. Using mirror columns to copy and paste from, and VLOOKUP with item IDs to keep related data synchronized, local text and number columns allow for automation compatibility when mirror columns themselves can't trigger automations. Number 2, automated formula intermediaries. Creating calculated number fields like days until due that automations can automatically reference for triggering. And number 3, multi-step automated sequences, where one user action triggers multiple sequential automated processes. These automated systems transform manual, error-prone processes into seamless, intelligent workflows. By implementing these automated solutions, you'll eliminate manual date calculations with automated formulas, never miss payment follow-ups with automated status triggers, send professional, consistent communications automatically, gain valuable automated insights into customer payment behavior, and significantly reduce administrative overhead through automation. I really hope you've gained something from the information presented in this video. My background in financial operations helps me design Monday.com-based systems that address real-world collections challenges while leveraging Monday.com's full automation potential. Ready to implement these powerful automated systems in your Monday.com? Contact All Day IT today using the contact form link below, or use the contact form at alldayit.com, and I'll help you build an automated financial system that eliminates repetitive tasks and dramatically increases your team's productivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and hit subscribe below for more All Day IT Monday.com videos.